Welcome to Chun Chun Kids.
Let's learn the names of some beautiful birds and hear the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sparrow, a small brown bird that chirps sweetly. Crow, a black bird that is loud and clever. Pigeon, a gentle gray bird often seen in cities and parks. Peacock, the national bird of India, with beautiful, colorful feathers. Duck, a water bird with a flat beak and webbed feet. Owl, a wise bird that stays awake at night. Parrot, a colorful bird that can talk and repeat words. Hen, a farm bird that lays eggs. Kingfisher, a bright blue bird that catches fish. Rooster, the male hen that wakes us up in the morning. Eagle, a strong bird that flies high in the sky. Woodpecker, a bird that pecks holes in trees with its beak. Penguin, a flightless bird that lives in cold places. Canary, a tiny yellow bird that sings beautifully. Hummingbird, a tiny bird that hums while drinking nectar. Cuckoo, a bird known for its sweet call. Flamingo, a tall pink bird that stands on one leg. Vulture, a big bird that eats dead animals and cleans the earth. Swan, a large white bird that glides gracefully on water. Crane, a tall bird often seen near water. Great job, kids! You learned the names and sounds of many birds.
Subscribe for more videos.